In today's video, we're gonna talk about how to make a group on Snapchat. If you want to create and add in all of your friends to a single place, creating a group is a great way to do it. So let's head over to Snapchat first. To create a group on Snapchat, just tap on the blue icon that you see on the bottom right. Once you do, you'll be able to select every person that you want to add into your group. Just tap on the people or the names and the group will be automatically created. Now you can name the group anything that you want, or you can also add in emojis and tap on chat with group. Once you do, the group will be successfully created and you can type in anything or send in snaps and all of the members in this group will be able to see it. Now the one thing that you need to know about creating groups on Snapchat is even if you created a group, you won't be the admin of the group and you won't have the access of removing a person or deleting a group in general. So even if you open the settings of the group and tap on the three dots on the top right, you can see there is no option to remove any person or delete the chat. The best that you can do is leave the group. So make sure that you keep that in mind. And yeah, that's how you can easily create or make a group on Snapchat. Give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'll be back with more Snapchat tutorials. Until then, keep watching.